Hello friends, welcome again. So I got many of the inquiry from many of the students that they want the LangChain projects with Agentic AI because you know that today many of the projects students are developing in Agentic AI, and this is a trending technology, right? So for Agentic AI, we have many of the models available in the market like Crave AI, N8N, LangChain, LangGraph, Langsmith. So many of the libraries are available. So we try to develop this project for implementing a chatbot using the Agentic AI, right? And for Agentic AI, we are using the LangChain here. So on the LangChain side, we are using the agents, parsers, the prompt and chat templates, as well as the uh, LLM models and many of the things we have used for developing this project. And this is for front end because LangChain is the backend technology, right? And we are using the Python version of the LangChain. But for front end, we are using the ReactJS, that is a trending technology again. So these all front end what you are seeing here, that is a pure ReactJS application, and this is a responsive. You can open it in your mobile as well as the web, right? So let's start at what are the features available inside this project, what things we have developed inside this project, and if you need the code, you can contact us. We will provide you the full project source code and database, right? Sure. So once you run this project, as I told you, this is a agentic AI based project and this is a React based application. So once you run this project, you will get this home page, right? And this home page contains some of the static content here, right? These all are the static content and you can change it according to your requirements, right? So this is the chatbot here. This button is disabled because you have not written anything here. So I am writing it good evening because it's evening here, right? So it's saying that this is saying that good evening, how can I assist you today with your forwarding needs, right? So this is coming from the artificial intelligence AI using the LLM models and the agentic AI, right? If I say hi, then it will ask, okay, so hello, how can I assist you today for the food? If you need help with some specific, just let me know, right? So here I am writing, I am looking for dinner. So this is the first time I'm typing, right? Let's see what's it's returning, right? So might be it will return all of the categories what it has, right? And then it will show the categories with the food items with what it has. Like you can see, we offer a variety of dinner categories for you choose from, right? So this is a Chinese, snacks, Mughlai, beverages, North Indians. Please let me know which category you want to explore further, right? Suppose if I want to, I will go with Chinese. This is a Chinese, just I'm copying the paste. So Chinese. Okay, so these are the agents. I have created multiple agents which is running behind this chatbot, right? And LLM is instructing those agents to provide the output, right? For database, I'm using the MySQL database. All of these data we have stored in the MySQL, right? And for API development, I'm using the FastAPI, right? So you can see there are two items here. So let's order. I want to order 2 plate noodles, okay, and 1 plate rice, right? So just I have written the text here, the free form text, right? Now our LLM will instruct which tools we need to invoke. This is the goodness of the agentic AI, right? Where the LLM will instruct which tools they need to call for serving it, right? So you can see that I have written this one, but it created the cart and total amount I need to pay is 3570, right? right? Suppose I want to add more. I need dal, right? So normally I have added I need dal. So let's see what's it's returning. Let's wait for some time. Okay. Oh, we have two dals, right? So it has not added the dal because we have multiple option available for the dal. So it's asking which one you want to add. So just I want to add makhni. I want to plate makhni, right? So it will add to plate dal makhni. Let's see. Yes, so you can see 2 plates dal makhni we have added here, right? And if I want, this is your cart, right? Now I want to check out, right? I want to check out, right? So now I want to order. So let's see what he's saying. So because so I want to check out. I think there is some internet issue, that's why it's taking a little bit time. You can check it's saying that login required because you can't without login it will not process the order. Then you can ask that how to login. Let's see how what's its system, how to login, right? So please provide email ID and password so I can assist you. So I can tell my email. So here my email ID is amit@gmail.com and password is test. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, so it's saying that your order has been placed. Your order ID is this and the order amount is this one. Thank you for ordering. If you need assistant, so no, just I am typing thanks, right? So it will say okay, it's okay, login successfully, welcome Atul Kumar, this is Hannah further assistant. Okay, now so this is over. Now if I want to register, I want to ask a question that I want to register, then tell me. I am refreshing this page, right? Now it's coming again. So how I can register? Hello, how can I register? So because I don't have account, so it will tell that okay, for registration you need to provide your email ID, password and name. So my name is so I provided that my name is Sujit Singh, email is this one and the password is test. Let's see what's it's doing. Yes, is registered means the tool, the agent decided that what tools it needs to call, so it has registered and the user ID is 13, right? So this is the registration process. Now if I want to log in and I want to see the order history, then I can do that also, right? So I am refreshing. So login with my email amit@gmail.com and password test. So login successfully, welcome Amit Kumar, it's saying that login successfully. Now I want to see my order history. Let's see that what is saying. This is our order history. There are 4 orders I have registered, and this is my order history. So normally this is the bot what it is replacing the total human and deciding that what isn't I need to call, what tools I need to call to fulfill the customer requirements, right? So this is a good example of the agentic AI what we have developed using the LangChain LLM models, right? And also the latest technology we have used for fronting for that is the ReactJS. So if you need any enhancement, if you need any new requirements in this period, just put it into the comments. You can contact us and we will make this project more better and better according to requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos and the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.